Milia seeds are small white-colored fat granule growing on the skin, particularly in areas surrounding the eyes. They look like white sesame seeds. One effective way to remove Milia seeds is by using glycerin. By rubbing glycerin on the Milia seeds can dissolve the oil around the milia and bring about the removal of Milia seeds. It can be removed in 1 to 2 weeks, while bigger ones need 1 to 2 months to clear. After washing face every night, rub some glycerin on the Milia seeds. Use index finger to slowly and gently massage. Do it consistently every day, and you can see the Milia seeds gradually shrink. After a short time they dry up. Now you can remove them by gentle rubbing. A few cautions to remember regarding the use of glycerin. Glycerin needs to dilute. Do not apply too concentrated glycerin directly on the skin, because highly concentrated glycerin can irritate and dehydrate it excessively. Therefore, before using high concentration glycerin, need to dilute it with clean water. Glycerin dosage. Correct use of glycerin can remove Milia seeds on your face, but improper use can lead to more Milia seeds cropping up. Remember not to apply too much at one time. Excessive amount applied on the skin can block the pores and lead to more Milia seeds to appear, especially for people with oily skin. Persistence. You must be patient and persistent if you wish to remove Milia seeds without using needles. If you cannot see any result after 1 to 2 weeks and abandon it, you will never be able to get rid of the Milia seeds. Using glycerin to remove fat granules needs at least 2 weeks, or even longer to thoroughly remove them. Need to observe hygiene. Keeping the skin clean is highly important in order to succeed. Need to clean the dirt and oil from the face immediately after they appear, and do it daily to keep the skin clean at all time. This will prevent the Milia seeds from reappearing. Glycerin must be used in the night. It must not be used during daytime. This is because it is light sensitive. During daytime it will react with the sunlight and cause the skin to become dark in the applied area. This is no such worry if it is used at night. Observe air humidity. Glycerin has powerful water absorption ability. If the environment is very dry, glycerin can dehydrate the skin, causing skin dryness. In countries with dry climate, particularly during winter season, glycerin is not recommended. How to prevent Milia seeds. 1. Do not rub too hard the area surrounding the eyes or use scrub products, as this can cause tiny wounds prompting Milia seeds to form. 2. Reduce or abstain from the use of eyeshadow powder, glitters or other similar powder-based cosmetic products. 3. Choose gel-based eye cream, which can be easily absorbed by the skin, as Milia seeds are often caused by overly rich creams. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.